Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to get old Roblox loading screen back. So unfortunately you cannot get old Roblox loading screen back in the main Roblox game, but you can still add it in your creation. Like if you are creating a Roblox game, you can still add the loading screen in there. To do that, just open up Roblox Studio and head into any one of your games. Now let the game load. After the game loads, head to the toolbox section and under the models tab, search for 2016 loading screen. Now you will see that a lot of scripts and files have appeared. Just click any one of them, then click OK. After you are done, take the loading screen into the starter GUI folder from the Explorers tab. Now you can edit this loading screen according to your needs, like you can change the names in here. In order to do that, firstly go to the creator's name. From the properties, scroll down until you find the text menu. Here is the text menu. You can just add your name, and in the game name section you can add the name of your game. After you're done, then go to home and click on the play button. Now you'll see that you have the old loading screen back into your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.